Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our online English class. I hope you all are fine. So let's start our lesson. Today is 7th April 2020. This is our classwork and the day is Tuesday. Our topic is parts of body. First part we are going to learn. This is eye. E-Y-E-I. As you know, we can see all around with our eyes. Okay, and the second, L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Make sure while writing parts of body, your first letter will be capital. L-E-G, leg. We can walk with our legs. And the third part is N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. We can smell with our nose. And the fourth, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Always keep smile on your lips. Okay, the last word is hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. We can touch everything and do every work with our hands. So class, this is your 5 parts of body. You have to learn and write 5 times on your rough binders and make me check it. Okay.